Okay, so I've wanted to create this experiment for a while. I have cleaned up two bearing sets, both on balance wheels, the Traxxas standard bearing and the new Boca Apex 7 grade 5 bearing with the orange seals. I wanted to compare the RPM and the runtime, so I set up a crude experiment with a used axle, an RPM gauge, and a typical time. Alright, so to continue the experiment, I've given each bearing set, both the Traxxas and the Boca bearings, a drop of the high-speed oil. I've also set the first wheel up, which is the Traxxas wheel. You'll notice that I have balanced the tire so that it is evenly distributed in weight. I plan now to rev it up using an air gun and compressed shot air, and then measuring the RPM and timing the rundown speed. Right, so we have the Traxxas standard bearing set up. I'm going to ramp up the speed using the shop air to roughly 60 kilometers an hour, and then we'll time to see how long the spin down takes. Magic of video, we've now run half a minute. You'll notice we ran 73 kilometers an hour on that wheel, that balanced wheel. We're currently approaching 40 seconds and the wheel is still spinning. I'll just wait for it to stop. Remembering that both bearings have been treated equally with the Boca bearing lightning lube high-speed oil. So there it is, 2.5 minutes, starting at 73 kilometers an hour. So next we'll try the Boca bearing. So for our next setup, we have the Boca bearing in the orange with the orange seal on a balanced tire. See, the tire does not move, it's fully balanced. We're going to spin it up to about 70 kilometers an hour and watch it run down. Okay, so I'm seeing something truly remarkable. I've never seen my wheel spin up so high that I actually went past the upper limit of my RPM gauge. So we're going to try and demonstrate this for you right now. can see, we have achieved 95 kilometers an hour with this spin test, which is 20 kilometers faster than my Traxxas bearings. The spin down rate is surprisingly lower, but I believe that to me because these are brand new bearings and I haven't broken them in yet. We'll have to reapply this test after I've run the car a few times. But 95 kilometers an hour, that's pretty awesome. So as you can see here, the spin down is a lot less, but that could be because the tighter fit of the new bearings, and purely because they are ABEX 7. So there you have it, folks. It's 53 seconds, but unbelievable RPM out of it. I am completely shocked.